Hello everybody, I love dancing to blues. It's magical, it's a joy. So I'd like to share a few tips on blues footwork, and by knowing this, I hope it will elevate your blues dancing and hope you appreciate it even more. And so, the first thing to note is that blues tend to focus more on instruments rather than the voice or the melody. So if you don't like blues music and you think, oh, it's boring, well, have a go listening to blues but focusing in just on instruments. You might hit some really nice rhythms and so on. So we focus more on that, and then we might be adding extra rhythms as well when we're dancing. It's very normal. So that's your first piece of homework. And then the next thing as well to think about is that the rhythm in blues tends to be swung. So you might be asking, what is swung rhythm? Let me show you with some weights. So we have our 3 beats here, and we have our 1, 2. We normally dance 1 and 2, 1 and 2. But we're going to swing our rhythm towards the upbeat, which is the 2. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a lot of blues music is swung in this way. So have a listen, and then once you get to identify it, then it's going to be like, cool, that's really fun. I can change the way I move, my rhythms of my moves. So that's our timing. Sometimes you might swing towards a downbeat, and that becomes 1 and 2, 3 and 4. But a lot of the time, I would say most of the time, it's here. And in fact, some of my students have a problem where they're dancing to normal music, and they do this all the time to normal music, 1 and 2 as their basic. And we're trying to I'm teaching them to be straight timing for their contemporary music. So another thing to think about now as well is the emphasis on the upbeat where we're dancing to blues, because often you hear the boom, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. So we want to try and match that in as well as a good option in our upbeat when we're dancing. So I may go 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a bit more power. Dun, dun, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also when we're doing our swung timing, you could think about your 3 steps as A, B, C, and hold that A for a little bit longer. So it'd be A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Because some people tend to not hold it for long enough, and it becomes A, B, C, A, B, C. They pick it up too early, A, B, C. So try that as well, and that is going to help elevate your blues to another level. Something else as well. Something else is that we also tend to do a lot of rotations in blues as well, in compression. So imagine I'm doing a sugar push, 1, 2, we're compressing here. I'm going to go 3, 4, 5, 6. We might add those rotations. That'll probably be my next video. That's going to be my second part of dancing to blues. We're focusing more on moves as a partnership, but today we're focusing more on footwork. But do look out on that video. Look out for that video. So next thing as well is kickball change. For kickball changes, it's a classic move in blues. We're thinking about the hold of 1, where we are delaying our weight transfer until 2. So instead of going 1, 2, we're going to go 1, 2, or with a kickball change it will be 1, 2. For the follow, it's the same thing. It'll be 1, 2. Because the blues song is going 1, 2, and so we're doing a walk, walk. That's why in blues we tend to take out the walk, walks. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We keep it with 3 triple rhythms, except we do a hold of 1 because it keeps us on the correct foot. Correct, I say the inverted commas. So I'm going 1, 2. It's great. I'm on the usual foot. If I do triple rhythm, 1, 2, it's still correct, but now I'm on the other foot. That's why we tend to do these holds of 1s in 1, 2 as leaders and followers. As a follower, 1, 2, I'm on my normal foot on 2. If I go 1, 2, it's correct, but then I'm on the other foot. So it's very useful. That's why we tend to do these on our 1, 2s, holds of 1s. It's acknowledging that the blues is swung. So we're acknowledging that instead of going 1, 2. So kickball change can also go forwards, backwards, to the side. I can kick with a flex foot here, kick, ball change to the front. I can go to the back, 1. But 10, I would normally do an underarm turn. So I'll be going 1, 2, instead of going 1 and then continuing back. But for followers, you can go 1, 2. That's cool as well, because you're going backwards to go forwards. The energy is going back to go forwards. Kickball changes, really nice. Go to the side, 1, 2 as well. It's a nice option to have as well. So that's how kickball change is done. So our next classic move is a stutter step, which we do with 4 weight changes. It will be 1 and 2. Again, it will be 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Followers the same thing, 1 and 2. A lot of followers can use this on our underarm turn as they're going 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Nice. Leaders, we can add stutter steps as well. Classic move we can use in our West Coast swing. Another classic move in blues is our kick and kick, which is like this: kick and kick and kick. But keep that swung timing. Kick and kick and kick and kick. I can either do my flex foot there. I was kind of moving between the two. And kick and kick and kick. So often with all these moves, I might be posting my follower on 4. So 1 or 2, 3, 4, or around 4, and then I might go for my, and I like to try acknowledge something on the and beat a bit early, and so the follower has more time to get it, and kick and kick and kick and kick, and then I can go kick, ball change into my next pattern. And it's really nice when both people are doing it together. It's super fun because we can see that partnering together. It's really nice. So that's our kick and kick we've done. Another classic one to use. Our next move is a tap and tap. So we're going to, instead of keeping it like straight timing, tap, 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 we're going to go and tap, and tap, and tap, and tap. And I said before, I like to move on the and tap, so the follower gets extra time to know that what you're doing, that you're doing something different. So imagine I'm doing a sugar push, a kick, pull, change, trip, pull, step, and then I might add my tap steps, and tap, and tap, and tap, and tap, and kick, ball change, triple step, triple step. And that lot of blues tends to have also that pitched rhythm, especially in blues, that pitched position. Kick, ball change, triple step, and tap, and tap, and tap, and tap. And also, it tends to be like the hips causing that tap tap rather than being too much to the side like this. I tend to keep it more, the hips are moving like this, and the foot comes to the side here in a nice position as opposed to not going all the way like this. I like to close it. Follows, if you want to, you can close here, but you might lose a bit more time if it's a fast song. We keep it more like this, like touching around the ankle area. Nice. I'm going to swing that and tap, and tap, and tap, and tap, and tap. Nice. You can keep it with either in this position or higher up as well. And tap, and tap, and tap, which we're here. Or I might go higher up as well. And tap, and tap, and tap, and tap. Nice. So you can do quad steps as well. We're adding an extra weight transfer. We mentioned that as well for the stutter steps. You might go 1, 2, 1, 2. I might be doing another sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Quad steps. Same for the followers as well. You might be doing an underarm turn, for example. I like underarm turns. You might be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on the other foot now, so let's add a triple step here. Triple step, triple step, triple step. And then you're on the foot you're normally used to using on 1. I love the continuous rhythm as well, where you can just keep going and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You don't have to worry too much where the foot goes. So leaders, if I'm doing a left side pass, I might go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Followers, you might be doing an underarm turn. You might be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, ball change. It just looks really cool. People are like, wow, what are you doing? Be like, I'm not sure. I'm just adding all those weight changes there. And it's super satisfying to do. Super satisfying. So we're going to show you now a song, a swung timing song. I'm going to show you first so you can hear that swung timing. So here's our song. So here's our song from the beginning. So here we hear this. Often people are like, they just hear, oh, it's not my style of music. But now, let's hear for that swung timing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's coming alive now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So mark it with our feet. We might go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're holding A longer, and we're emphasizing. So if I'm doing sugar push, I'll be with a kickball change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super fun. So now, Ha's going to join me. My amazing, wonderful students. So pop this over here. And for example, a lot of these moves we can do when we're posting our follower, for example. It's very normal to post. One of you starts playing, the other one can join in as well. And we might both do the same or different things. No problem. We're just staying connected and then ready for us to begin when the leader's thinking, let's start now, and then the next pattern, and then we'll begin there. So for example, if I do an underarm turn with a 1, a 2, 3, a 4, there's a post here. Now I might do a move and then we're connected. Ha doesn't have to get it straight away. But she did. And then come look at your partner and play with them. And then a kickball change, triple step, a 1, a 2, and 1, a 2, and 1, 2, 3, a 4. That was another move, which is a ball change, but still swinging it. And then new things start to come. I might be doing 3, a 4 instead. So I might be doing an underarm turn, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and 1, a 2, 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and 1, a 2, 3, and 4. That's an example of how we can bring it into our West Coast swing. So have a practice at home. You can use a resistance band, keeping the connection with the resistance band. Practice your rhythms. If you have a partner to practice with, you can practice together as well. Yes. Yeah. So we're going to do some music as well. It's a fast song. We're going to imagine we're in our starting position. We can go like this, tap steps, but why don't we swing it? So we could go. A 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, 1, a 2. I'm going to pitch forward slightly as well. I might go a 1, a 2, 1. This is more like double resistance. We haven't done that today. A triple step, triple step. Keep a tight rope as well, so a short rope, which helps us to stay close together. Swivels, triple step, a 1, a 2, 3, a 4, and 5, 6, a 1, a 2, 3, a 4, a 5, 6, a 1, a 2. 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6. So much fun to dance blues. I love it. So that's our little blues footwork foundations plus intermediate stuff. Have fun dancing the blues. Let me know in the comments what you found most helpful. If people ask questions as well, maybe we can all help each other as well and share and encourage each other in our community. I would like this to be a very friendly community, helping each other. And so let me know how you get on. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give us a like and to hit that subscribe button. And that will help to get notified when videos are available. And I provide private lessons in person and online, which includes a video clinic as well. So if you want me to watch your videos, including competition videos or just practice videos, it'll be a joy for me and a privilege to help you with that. So don't forget to enjoy dancing and to be yourself on the dance floor.